What is going on, my friends and family, and whoever cares to watch this, and to future me, future Nick? Today is one of those days that I did not want to do a review. I did not want to relive this. The day is just fucking annoying. It was long. I just sat in front of the computer. I traded not so good, and I kind of, shat the bed for lack of a better term. Um, my loss is $650 today after expenses, but um, it's actually technically $1,000 because um, I threw my phone against the wall out of frustration today from from losing on a stock, then watching it end up curling and going after I'd already written it off. And I have an old iPhone 11, and so it was $350 to order a new one. And thankfully, it doesn't matter logistically wise to have a phone or not for me. But that was one of the things that, out of all the stuff I did today, that was probably most disappointing. Just because it's like a lack of good execution on my part. Whether I lose money or make money, I think it's important to stay composed well, and that definitely, there's no upside on it. To be fair, I didn't think I would break my phone. I thought it was just like a little, like, rah, I think I almost did it half jokingly too. I was laying in my bed, um, kind of just like watching YouTube videos and stuff, and then watching the market out of the corner of my eye and kind of seeing stuff go. And that's what prompted me to toss the phone. And today was just a very um, I want to be accurate with this to not make it a bigger deal than it is. Um, my my execution was really bad on one trade and really mid on the majority of my trades, and okay on one. And then the the biggest issue that I was running into, I mean, I'm sure I don't even remember all of it because I traded 120 or so trades at minimum, um, was that my timing was off. And then aside from my VRAX trade, which actually we're going to pull up right now because I made a mistake this morning as well by not turning on my recording, and or not my VRAX, my R something. What is it? Rev B. My Rev B trade. Revelation Biosciences. So you see in hindsight all the beautiful stuff of this chart, and in real time it looks more like, at least where I was at, it looked more like that. And so I didn't think it was much was going to happen. I was not focused on it. I did not give a shit. But this was the what am I doing? This is the 1 minute going into the open, and also at the same time, I believe it was GDC was the other one. that was kind of shopping around. But besides these two, like this looks like a terrible um, pattern to buy out of the open. This looks like it's going to chop down, chop up, chop around, then maybe go, which it ended up doing. Um, I'm so I'm a little bit, a little bit slightly off center right now. So this ends up popping, and then dropping, and then popping, and then popping, and then da 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 da. But Rev B is what I took out of the open. And the problem with this was that it looked like it was just descending, descending, descending. Someone had the cojones to buy it down there. I see it at 2.3, and I jump in. And this was my first trade. Let me see if I can pull up and give you exact numbers where I get in through my records. Oh, okay. Actually, I buy just under 30. And then I sell at 28.7. And then I buy right back as it's holding 2,000 shares at 29.5 and 30. And I sell again. Now, then I rebuy at 33 as it goes above because it was hesitating. And then I sell at 16 and a half as it comes back down. So I was looking at this. I was green up here for a second. And then it starts coming back down. And I really, really wish I had the video so I could see what the fuck was going on. But I don't have the video, and you're just gonna have to take my word for it. But I'm pretty sure I had the opportunity to get out break even or just under. I remember I was holding as it came and retested 33, and I was like, it's probably just gonna pop back up, and then it kind of just dipped down there and really, really kind of blew out, and I held uncharacteristically long, thinking it was just a shakeout, which it was a shakeout. Just that shakeout lasted, 10, 15 minutes. Then it finally started coming back around over here. And because I had taken, a $350 loss on that or more, I don't even remember what it was. It was just annoyingly big. The number itself wasn't the problem. The frequency that I'm taking L's is the problem, because that means something is off as I'm trading with bigger size. And when that happens on a macro level, when I'm noticing it across multiple trades, I start to lose confidence as a self-defense mechanism. And boy, does it suck to watch a stock that you just took a loss on come back and test the same level that it sucks for me to watch it test the same level that I bought it at after selling it for a decent loss. And then here I'm left with option of do nothing, search for other stocks, or trade Rev B and see if I can make money doing it. And this has been one of the biggest challenges of my trading career, is being able to zone back in on the same name after taking a decent L on it. And that's kind of been, and when I say zone back in, I mean zone back in profitably. I mean, I can definitely close my eyes and click a button, and roll the dice, which is not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about with the same level of accuracy that I come at other names, like a fresh name with a fresh analysis, with that same level of like thoughtfulness and risk control and you know cutability, where I'm like ready to take the cut and not a problem, that I've had historically a problem with, and it really, really is difficult for me to get over it. Because realistically, I took a loss there, and it was a large range candle. It was in the first 2 minutes, so like from I buying at 33, it pops up to 40, and then reverses down to 3. I mean, that's a huge range on a low price stock. Um, if I catch a stock going a move going the other way, I realistically could skill wise I can make back money if I'm thinking clearly. Like if I were to see this and I would be looking at this with fresh eyes, without the loss in my heart, I would be like, huh, what's going on here? It's kind of moving up levels. And then, you see it do this. And then, wow, maybe this dip I can get. Get a little sell there. Maybe I can get this little dip. Pops up, get a little sell. Um, and hold off there. Maybe get that dip, sell it, maybe get that dip. So that's really difficult for me to do. And then it ends up really going, and I'm at this point totally ignoring it, but it's sucking attention from the rest of the market. So the setups on other stocks that I was watching weren't really working. And then it's like also a technical problem where like if I go back now and do this, it's going to take time for me to zone into this stock. And then I would feel really dumb if I took another decent loss on it after taking that loss down there. And so there's like the financial risk reward, and then there's like the self-respect risk reward, where it's just like, you fooled me once, shame on you, but you fooled me twice. Well, fuck me. But anyways, that's what I was thinking. That's not the best way to think about it. Aside from that, it was kind of a tricky name, and I just did what I thought was right, which, and even here, like right before it goes, it looks like a failure. It really, really looks like it's going to die here. Like, I don't think I would have taken that anyway, so I guess I didn't miss much. But then it starts ripping up. It rips up into a halt here. This candle, the end of the 5 minute, closes high and then halts up. And yeah, I mean, it's just a lot of meh. A lot of meh. And then I try a few times to like catch some range on it, and I don't do very well on it, and I don't know. It's okay. But let's go into some video. This is probably going to be a longer video. You can skip through it. But day trading's risky. These insights are really for myself, and it gives me a kind of a forum to talk out how I'm feeling. Speaking of that, note, problem, not being able to re-engage profitably after taking an L on the same name. Yeah. Okay. I'm done whining. Let's get into some video. Let's see where exactly I fucked up, where I did well, what I could do better. Um, oh, so many videos from today. I just kept turning it on and turning it off. 55. Where is it? Okay, it's this one. So 5 minutes in, I missed the thing. At this point, I'm already down 600. I don't even know from where. Um, SMFL. SMFL, I think I lose on. Fuck, I want to know. I gotta open up my Thinkorswim again. Where did I lose on SMFL? I'm sorry, guys. I gotta figure this out. It's always. Ugh, day trading is you basically get paid to deal with volatility. And even if volatility on the upside feels really good and there's a lot of potential to it, you can never really feel like you have it down, I guess. Because, is my video glitching? No, it's fine. It's just loading. Because like by the time you feel like you got it, you're making mistakes, and so it's just like a constant. I don't know. Today was really stressful. Last week was really nice. All right, where are my trades on? Dumb trade. I actually do try to trade, and I don't do it well. That's okay. Okay. 56, and I cut at 55, 48, I cut at 46, 45, and I cut at 42, 47, and I cut at 44. So that's 4 trades back to back to back to back. Let's see, let's just downsize this. I was really trying to get a curl probably off this level here. Sorry, I keep moving it around. I know. Okay. So what can I say? Try for a breakout, it doesn't work. So that was my 55 buy. 56. I cut it quickly. I tried just under 50. It's not really a dip. It's more of just a retracement of the candle. I cut that very quickly. 48, and I cut it at 46. And I should have been more. This is hard because sometimes these just rip really, really viciously to the upside. And I think that it had that opportunity, it had that look. And so I jumped in, I wanted it up to 75, to 80, and it just started turning around. And I just kept taking stabs at it, thinking that, it's going to, retrace a little, then go back up. But just kept retracing. So I just kept taking stabs, and I just gave back more and more and more and more. And then GDC was the first trade I actually got a win on, and let's see it. Let's see if we can watch this here. Give me 1 second. Just disheartening. This is just so disheartening. I'm just gonna be a whiny bitch today. So disheartening. Wow. So disheartening. You know what they say, I don't complain when I get the blessings, so who says that? Why get stressed when your life is vexed? Yeah. Uh, Fuck this. Okay. Okay, so it's hesitating around here. Looks like it's popping above. And I am definitely ready to risk it because I'm just peeved. No, because I made it back when getting to these situations. It's not a big deal. So I guess I'm being patient there. Looking back on it, I might have bought that. Definitely looked like kind of maybe. But I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Nope, not buying there. Not buying there. Mm. Get a dip. Great entry. Great entry. Let's see what happens here. Can I keep it? Can I keep it? Can I keep it? And I cut it. Oh, I cut it. Such a small winner compared to what it should have been. Looking to get back in. Looks like I got scared out. Can I get back in? Oh, I get back in there. Ooh. And then I take a loss. That's down to 25. Holy shit. All right, so I break even bet this name. That should have been up 100, whatever. Oh, I don't know. Sorry, I'm just bummed out. The other thing that's happened is like it feels like I am really good at losing money on Wednesdays. Really good. Whether that's because there's Fed minutes that come out and people trade that instead of trading small caps, I don't fucking know, but it's irritating. I'm not even looking at any trades here. What the fuck is meaningful going on here? All right. I even had notes that all the news is like kind of crap. Where did I try to take big flush lows? It says minus 100 times. Oh, and then it curls back up, and I'm not in. Flat though. And then I'm taking losses here on BBAI, just small though. Really thought this was going till 2. And it's not. GDC, GovX. Where do I take these L's? I'm trying to see if I got this shit on camera. I might have got it on. Okay. I think I got it. Not on camera, but on level 2. Where is it? GDC goes. This was me just butting my head on BPI. GDC. Rax. Rev B. Oh, let's watch this. This fucking. I am so sour. I feel like a limp turd. A limp turd. Come on. Oh, it's such low volume. Wait, why is that not going? Does it pause there? No. Okay, so the 30-minute candle is about to close. People are going to be watching it. No, it's not. 30-minute candle isn't about to close. What am I talking about? Where did I get that from? It's dumb. 19 is about to close. Okay, what am I thinking? Am I seeing the potential? Am I seeing where I can get in? What am I reading? I'm trying to do lines. I don't need lines. Okay, test high. Buy. Ooh, sell. Buy. Ooh. Ooh. Another kind of high pop. Buy. Heavy. And heavy. There we go. Go. Go, 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 go. So, alright. Well, turd. Did not trade that. Yeah, and you know, it did die out of the open. Oh, I think where do I take losses? No, no. What is this? Take a trade here, somewhere. Jumping between names. Feel dumb. Feel dumb just watching this footage. Okay, break even. Lose on GC. Yeah, everything was halting up today too. Alright, let's see what I did here. Let's watch the open. Let's watch the open one more. Okay. Yeah, I would have lost on both of us. Anyways. Okay, I tried a couple of things here. Was up 250 on it early. And creeping lower, waiting for the candle to close. Oh wow, it dips real low. Keeps dipping. Looks like it's hesitating. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, did I take the loss? What happened on that last one? Okay, I took the loss. Cool. Oh, it's just like waiting for my order before it continues lower. I hate these so much. Why am I trading it? It's not a big extension. I don't even want to trade big extensions. Just starting a new big. All right, today is just a bullshit day. I did poorly. Today's not bullshit. My trading is bullshit today. Yeah, I take full responsibility for that. You know, it's sometimes the cookie crumbles. I don't even want to watch any more of this. Oof. All right, I'm gonna wrap it here, but oh, it sucked. Anyways, good talking to you, Nick. Do better in the future. Day trading is risky. Have a little humility going into the day, please. This is not investment advice. You can lose some or all of your capital doing day trading. Yay. And I look forward to doing better in the future. All right. Peace out. It's been fun.